Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this battery right here. Now I'm not really 100% sure why I was requested to unbox a battery. However, I am glad to do so. I guess since it's a rechargeable battery and it's expensive, it's not cheap, I guess that's why. But around the box there isn't that much information. I'm guessing that's the reason why you guys are watching this mostly, just in case there's information missing from the website itself. So let's just take out the battery from the packaging. I do want to mention that I will be doing a review on this battery as well. So that will be coming up later. Obviously that comes after a few months. I usually don't do it after a few weeks. Usually after a few months or even years when it's a long-term review. So from my experience, past experience with Energizer, is that they do last quite some time and then they start dying off until they just don't hold enough charge. But they would last, let's say, after 3 to 4 years, they would last, let's say, the same as getting a dollar store battery. So not that long. However, they still work because they're rechargeable. So you get your money out of it for sure. Especially when it comes down to these type of batteries, it's very important to get a rechargeable one. Now, if you're thinking about getting this, and that's exactly why you're watching this unboxing of a simple battery, well, you're gonna need a charger for it, right? So what I purchased from before actually was this charger right here. Now this charger, it's a universal one. So this will charge any battery size, including this one here. So to put in this one, to charge it up, because that's what we have to do anyways, we're just gonna snap it in here. So there we go, finally got it snapped in there. It was kind of hard to get it in there, but it does stay. It does in fact stay. So if you're thinking of getting a charger, I wouldn't just get a specific charger just for this type of battery, but get one that's universal for all of them. That way you guys can fit double A's or triple A's in here without any problem, including bigger batteries. So you guys can see this does expand. So it expands all the way here, so you can fit one of those humongous batteries, the D ones as well. So that's what I suggest getting if you're thinking of getting a rechargeable. And if you're looking for more rechargeable ones, that just means you're trying to save money. So I highly suggest getting that. Other than that, that's it for this quick unboxing. I can tell you that the battery itself doesn't weigh that much. I actually did expect this to weigh just a little bit more, because usually when it comes down to batteries, the more they weigh, the better quality is. And I can tell you this does not feel like it weighs too much, which is a bad thing. But oh well, let's see how it does after with the review. But anyways, for now, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. And don't forget, subscribe and rate. Thank you.